The industrial roller door provides premium and elegant protection for businesses and commercial premises. The roller doors are compactly wound into a well-designed shutter box, which requires minimum space. They are made of galvanized steel elements, where the curtain could be made of galvanized steel slats, polyurethane-filled aluminium slats, or grille curtain design. Different types of slat designs can help the customer solve their security and insulation problems. There are hundreds of different finishes and special color effects available. Moreover, we always match the color of your frame with the color of your curtain for no extra charge. The door is equipped with robust steel and mega profile guides with high quality seals and brush inserts to minimize noise and wear when the door is in operation. Our doors are equipped with a unique mechanism that balances the door to perfection. The springs and the motor are engineered to accommodate easy and cost-effective maintenance. Our innovative mechanism allows for faster and effortless operation in case of power failure. Our doors are built to last. We offer multiple packages to answer all of your requirements. Speak to our representative for more information.